Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this mini elf on the shelf. First, I am using a wire from Dollar Tree. It's the black one. You can find it in the auto section. It's a thin wire, and I just made it into a body shape, kind of like a twig. And this way, my elf can be posable. And now I'm taking some wool. It's the red one, and I'm going to needle felt it. I'm wrapping it around all of the limbs, and I'm just going to continue to poke it. That's basically what needle felting is. It's summers where you need to sit down, be comfy, and probably binge watch a TV show or a movie or something, because you're just going to be sitting there for a very long time, and you're just going to continue to keep poking it and poking it and poking it until you get exactly what you want. Okay, so because I ran out of white wool, I'm going to use some yarn, and I'm just wrapping it around without even brushing it out. Just because I found that this was a lot easier sometimes, but I just thought it made it look a little bit nicer, so I'm just going to wrap it and then poke it. That's basically all you do. It's just a lot of poking. So for the collar, I went ahead and I brushed out some white yarn, and I just poked it until it was nice and flat and all neat. You can use felt for this part, but I went ahead and I poked it until I got the look that I wanted, and then I cut out little triangles to give it some shape, and then I just poked it onto the neckline of the body of the elf. So for the hat, I just took a large piece of the red because I'm going to end up doubling it over by folding it, and I'm just poking it until it becomes felt, and I'm just going to add some more white yarn to the trim of the hat, and then I just fold it over to make it a little bit thicker, and then I fold it into a triangle and I poke it closed, and then I just add it onto the head. And right now I'm trying to use a hot glue technique to give it some dimension on the face of the wooden bead. And I didn't really like it too much of how it turned out, so I ended up just painting it on instead of using the hot glue, just because I thought the hot glue made it look kind of chunky. But I was going to use it anyway, but I messed up. When I put the Mod Podge on it to seal it, I thought the paint was dry and it wasn't, and the face smudged, so I went ahead and I made a new head. But that is basically it for the video, and I will see you in the next one.